Did you know that coloring letters and animals together can supercharge your child's learning? Imagine transforming the simple act of coloring into a powerful educational tool that captivates your child's imagination. This unexpected combination can turn a mundane activity into an exciting learning adventure, sparking curiosity and creativity. Parents often struggle to make educational activities fun and engaging for their kids, leading to frustration and missed learning opportunities. The challenge of keeping a child interested in learning can feel overwhelming, especially when traditional methods fall flat. This struggle is more common than you think, but finding a solution is crucial for fostering a lifelong love of learning in your child. But what if there was a way to combine creativity, literacy, and animal knowledge into one exciting adventure? Imagine a world where each letter of the alphabet comes alive with the characteristics of a different animal. This approach not only makes learning the ABCs fun, but also introduces your child to the wonders of the animal kingdom, keeping them engaged and eager to learn more. First, choose an animal for each letter of the alphabet, creating a colorful menagerie of learning. Picture an alligator for A, a bear for B, and a cat for C, each bursting with vibrant colors. This step sets the stage for an imaginative journey where each letter becomes a gateway to a new animal's world. Then design each letter to mimic the shape or characteristics of its corresponding animal, turning ABCs into a wild safari. Imagine the letter E stretching its neck like an elephant, or F flaunting feathers like a flamingo. This creative twist not only reinforces letter recognition but also makes the learning process an exciting visual experience. Watch as your child's imagination soars, their vocabulary expands, and their love for learning ignites like never before. This method transforms learning into a playful adventure, making education a delightful experience rather than a chore. By following these steps, you can unlock a world of knowledge and creativity for your child. Like if this helped you, comment if you agree, and follow for more insights on making learning fun and engaging for your child.